Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gambling Savant. Before we get started today, I just want to make a little announcement. The month of February 1st it is today, marks the 1 year anniversary of the Gambling Savant channel. So I'm very grateful, very thankful for everybody participating, following along with the content, primarily CasinoCoin and some poker action. We're going to continue on with those topics, of course, and expand out this calendar year. So this is my first video of 2022. I took a nice little break around the holidays, got into the new year, kind of let this storm pass in the crypto world. The last thing I want to do is to be encouraging individuals and creating excitement that might be taken in the wrong context with the conditions of the crypto market specific to CasinoCoin. So I want to be delicate and be mindful of that. I've given this lots of thought. So crypto projects are small businesses essentially, okay? I've started several small businesses over the last 15, 16 years, and I've had quite a bit of success doing that. My companies weren't publicly traded, okay? There is no investor market. So we have to remember that the trading price of any individual project is not always a great representation as to the success of the project itself, the progression, the advancements, so on and so forth, okay? So specific to CasinoCoin, there's all kinds of information that's being put out on the Discord app, on Twitter, from the individuals that are part of the team, okay? We can start with marketing. Marketing starts this month, apparently, okay? We're going to see lots of action with exposure to the project. We have more casinos coming, okay? We have Rock and Roll Casino up and running, accepting CasinoCoin, taking advantage of the CasinoCoin technology. We have several others that are in the works that are going to be listed anytime. The team is working on a US-friendly online casino so that more gamblers can play using that platform, using that technology. Daniel has stated that he expects to have at least 25 casinos on board this calendar year. We'll see, okay? That comes straight from the horse's mouth. That's not just an expectation of mine. That's something that CasinoCoin believes they will hit. Maybe they already know they'll hit that number or surpass that number. So I think once things get rolling, things will move quickly, okay? We also have to remember that the launch of the X app was a soft launch. It wasn't the formal grand opening aspect. They're getting operators and users used to the technology, used to how to operate the app, depositing, gameplay, so on and so forth, okay? So we have to really remember CasinoCoin's a small business. There happens to be an investor market attached to that. Just because the trading price isn't where we like it or want it or have seen it in the past, that will change. That will come in time, okay? It has to come in time. The market is not quite in shambles at the moment. It's all perspective, okay? Remember May, I believe it was May of 2021, the market cap crashed down to $1.2, $1.3 trillion as the overall market cap, right? Several months thereafter, we experienced all-time highs. Okay, so things, as slow as they feel like they're moving, they're actually moving at a very rapid pace. You can see very clearly from a lot of the graphs, CasinoCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's a holding pattern here. There's a consolidating period. It's very obvious when you look at the buy and sell orders for any given project, what's going on. People are hesitant. There's lots of reasons for people to take caution. I'm not one of those. I have all of my crypto staked, delegated away, and secured, providing passive income. Do I have concerns about trading prices? I sure do. I'd love to see some improvement in the market in CasinoCoin and all my other holdings. I would certainly love to see those appreciate. But my share volume is increasing every single day of the week. I like that. That's for me. Do I day trade? Do I swing trade on the side with different funds, allocated monies? Yes, I do. But a large portion of my crypto holdings or funds that are allocated to crypto are stocked away, staked, and providing a nice yield or return on my investment, okay? So this is all perspective. Once again, it is emotional. You have to work really hard to take that out of the equation and think logically and think of these projects, whether it's CasinoCoin or otherwise. You have to think of them as a small business. Most startup companies aren't immediately publicly traded in a sense, okay? The crypto market is unique in that sense of where you can create a token and the very next day you're trading it as an investor, okay? And that's why it's a speculative market. Within the speculative market, there's speculation of different levels, okay? So try to digest that and understand that CasinoCoin, if we're going to be specific to this project, is simply a small business, okay? We happen to have the opportunity, without an IPO and all these different aspects, to invest immediately, essentially, into this startup company. That will give you confidence and a better understanding of, okay, well, my dollar cost average right now, I'm at 0.0036. We're down at the 0.0011 range. You know, I don't love the way things look, but okay, you start connecting the dots and you move on from there. Take a harder look at what the project has accomplished and what their goals are. They are currently working on a brand new roadmap, which is going to be very exciting to see. So the roadmap looked very promising and excellent to me as an investor, as an enthusiast of CasinoCoin, prior to the one they're working on. So I would have to imagine there's improvements. It might be more lengthy, more detailed. So let's get excited for that. Let's get excited for the month of February. Today's the first day of the month. Hold your head high. I don't mean that in the sense of monetary value or trading price, but hold your head high that you have taken the leap of faith to invest in this project. It's substantial. The technology, aside from the investment, aside from the trading price, the technology and what it offers casinos, online and potentially brick and mortar, CasinoCoin is number one. It's state of the art. It's in a league of its own. We have the metaverse aspect in play. I'm happy, okay? So let's take a look at the current market, all right? It's swinging back and forth. We're at a market cap of $1.68 trillion. Bitcoin is trading at $38,500. We've got Ethereum at about $27.50. And we'll touch on XRP trading at just about 62 cents in the 8th position. Okay? The top 10 has been pretty solid where it's at. There hasn't been a lot of trading volume. Things have been pretty stagnant for the last several weeks or so. Okay? There's good reason for why the market has crashed in a sense. I do like the fact that it's maintained its support level where it's at. That is promising. I actually expected Bitcoin personally to go down quite a bit lower than the numbers we saw. So at a $38,000, $39,000 Bitcoin, I can stomach that. the altcoins will do what they will in due time. So let's take a look at CasinoCoin specific here at CasinoCoin.info. Let's refresh this page. Now we have to remember too, this is a community. The accounts holding CSC is an important figure. You know, the circulating market cap, the fully diluted market cap aren't figures that we love seeing. It doesn't show massive amounts of confidence, and we just had a little retracement. The market has been hurt. What I do want to say about that, though, we have a $70 million market cap roughly, okay? That's good and that's bad. The bad news is it's $70 million. A year ago, we were at 20-something million dollars or less. So it is higher than, several times higher than the last calendar year's market cap. But the good news is that that figure can move very, very quickly. When you look at the other projects, they have $1 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion, $50 billion market cap. It's harder percentage-wise to really move that project. There has to be something substantial that happens percentage-wise to see a large return on your investment. With the $70 million market cap, that just shows me that with a relatively small dollar amount, with CasinoCoin investors flowing back into the market, they're not gone forever. Just because investor money has left the CasinoCoin market temporarily, they're not gone. Okay, remember what happened on October 31st of 2021. We saw a couple $100 million flood the market within a day or two. Okay, that's going to happen again. We'll see when. I'm not making any price predictions. This is the natural flow of any crypto project, okay? So let's see what happens this month with the marketing aspect, with maybe some more casinos getting listed. We do have a top 15 exchange floating around somewhere. I believe the team has said that it's been taken care of, in quotes. When it gets listed on that platform, on that exchange, time will tell. I don't have that information. But we do have a lot of excitement. I'm enthused, okay? As bad as it hurts me to look at a 0.001 trading price, believe me, I don't like to see that. I do think that's going to change. It does allow opportunity for new investors to get in at a relatively low entry price. It also allows you to cost average. If you were an individual who got in at 0.004 plus, well, now you have a great opportunity to cost average and really bring down your DCA figure, okay? That's important and that's valuable. So while I don't love it, it does offer opportunity, all right? So, and that's where we're at. Look at the last 30 days here. You know, yes, we're looking at a downward channel. We are looking at a lot of consolidation. It's been stable since about the 23rd of January, which isn't horrible, okay? I don't want to get into great detail as far as reading graphs and charts and making predictions, because that's where it leads. When you start reading graphs, you're going to start making predictions as to what's going to happen next, naturally. I don't want to do that. I think up naturally would be the only way to go based upon what I'm seeing. There we are, right? Kind of guesstimating what might happen, but we are seeing a great deal of consolidation. The accounts holding CSC continues to increase. We're at 24,300 accounts holding CSC, which is pretty substantial. With the marketing, with a top 15 exchange, with more casinos listed, that number is going to continue to grow and probably grow rapidly at some point in time, okay? So that's really about it today, everybody. I want to get back in the action. I want to give you encouragement and insight and have a little twist on things to getting back full circle to the point of CasinoCoin as a small business that happens to be traded publicly in a sense, okay? So the trading price is not always a great representation of the success of any given company or crypto project. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's stay positive. Let's stay on the trail. I hope you took advantage of this opportunity to cost average in, to have a nice entry point into a very viable, promising crypto project. And let's see what this coming week brings, this coming month, this quarter, okay? I'm bullish, I'm enthused, and I truly mean that. Taking the money out of the equation, the trading price out of the equation, once again, I am bullish on the success and the developments and the foundation that the CasinoCoin team has built and is continuing to structure, okay? So I'll be in touch with you very shortly. I'm back in action for 2022. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to all the advancements. Keep an eye out for some Bitcarra videos. Keep an eye out for some poker videos. And if I get the opportunity to do a little traveling, I will certainly bring you to the action, okay? So once again, it's Gambling Savant's 1-year anniversary of putting out content. Thank you for following along. If you like the content, like, share, subscribe, and I wish you all a fantastic day.